Welcome, future construction management expert. I want to personally thank you for enrolling in our course, How to Deliver the Perfect Construction Project. You've taken the first step towards unlocking your potential in the world of construction management. Before we embark on this exciting journey together, let me express my sincere gratitude for choosing our course. We're thrilled to have you on board, and we're confident that you'll find tremendous value in the knowledge and skills we're about to share. Throughout this course, we'll explore the fascinating world of construction management and equip you with the tools you need to excel in delivering flawless construction projects. But first, let's start by understanding what construction management is all about. In this introductory section, we'll lay the groundwork and provide you with a solid foundation. We'll delve into the core principles and practices that define construction management. You'll gain insights into the unique challenges and responsibilities that construction managers face on a daily basis. Throughout this course, we encourage you to actively participate, ask questions, and immerse yourself in the material. We're here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions, queries, or if there's anything you'd like to discuss, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We're here to help you succeed and provide any clarification you may need. You can reach out to us via email at the contact details on our website. We value your input and want to ensure you have the best learning experience possible. Prepare yourself to gain a deep understanding of construction management, its principles, and its practical application in delivering successful construction projects. Once again, thank you for choosing our course. We're excited to have you on board, and we can't wait to see you excel in the world of construction management.